Oh, you beat me downstairs. Okay, so we're in the garden and we spotted a development opportunity in the back garden, so follow me. Okay, so you can see we've got a garage. Okay, and that's what it was. It was a garage to the property. It was a well-used garage, but what I saw is a massive opportunity. The reason being, it's got 2 parking spaces in front of the garage, and you access the garage from a completely different road, a separate unused road, a separate road where you wouldn't get anyone mind if you developed it or you did something on it. There's no houses around it, and it's at the back of the garden. You can go up. The tree's not got a TPO on it, which was important when we done our research, and we're very close to getting full planning permission agreed to turn this into a 2-bedroom coach house. And a two-bedroom coach house, it means we'll come out about 2 meters, okay, and we'll have a fence going across. At the back it will have its own rear garden with beautiful patio doors going into its own garden. At the bottom there, there's a cellar, and we're going to turn that into a utility room where they can go down, where they can wash, dry, and it's a really quirky space. If it was mine, if I was going to do it for me, it would be my wine cellar. I enjoy wine, have a lot of wine, but to add value, okay, and to add value to as many people as possible, it's going to be a utility room. We're going to go up 6 bricks, and we're going to put a double dormer on the property, okay, and we're going to turn it into the 2-bed coach house. Downstairs accommodation, we're going to have a beautiful, huge kitchen, lounge, open plan, ridiculous living space, which is going to be really cool, really quirky. French doors onto the garden, a front door which will lead you onto your parking and 2 parking spaces. We've got no restrictions, which is really cool. And then up to the first floor, we're going to have 2 double bedrooms and 2 en-suites. Property will be worth between 300 and 350,000. Always pessimistic when I do my numbers, always pessimistic. But even being pessimistic, the build cost is going to be around 105 grand, which is really reasonable. So it's about 195 profit once you split the title off this part of the development. And not to mention we've already added 15% value to the house as well. So these developments are out there. You've just got to understand how to find them and what to do with them. But I'll give you a quick tour inside. It's going to be dark and dingy. Doesn't smell nice, but you can't smell it, only I can. And the creepiest thing happened when we started emptying the loft. We just found a complete cupboards full of these weird looking toy bears. So someone obviously collected them, but it really creeped me out. If you smelt this place, you'd understand it's disgusting. It's a big double garage, and all I smell now is money. All I smell now is the profit that it's going to make me and my client. Okay, and it's huge, really big, and no one spotted it. And everyone says you have to get your deals off market. And yes, we do. We have an online estate agency. We write letters to vendors and developers and landlords. This has been on Rightmove for 3 months. No one spotted the opportunity, albeit well overpriced. We offer 22% below market value. We were laughed at. And then I think it was March the 23rd, 24th, we called up and we said, look, we'll put a higher offer. We offered 10 grand more. They didn't laugh at us that time. And then it was just about a week after lockdown, they phoned us up and said the offer's been accepted. Okay, so make the offers, do it with dignity, have respect for the agent and the seller, but make offers. You never know when they're going to be accepted. And this was an amazing opportunity. People didn't see the value. People were put off by the price. Don't be. Okay, if in doubt, make the offer, because there's always a chance they will accept it. And it's not easy. We view up to 50 houses a week. We make up to 25 offers every single week. Okay, we have to research areas, properties, types every single day. And we have a great team now, a great power team that work really hard in finding these deals. And once we find a deal, we've got great finance team, a great legal team that specialise in HMOs and work with all our clients, all our investors. Once we've found the property, negotiated it, packaged it, if we're working with you, we'll come to you individually with that package deal just for you, ticking all the boxes I said. Takes up to 3 months for it to complete, depending on the seller, whether you're buying cash, getting a mortgage. Some great rates out there, by the way, some ridiculous rates at the moment. We can find you. And you've got to know the right solicitors, understand HMOs, understand covenants, restrictions. We have them, okay? And then the day of completion, our refurb team goes in there. Okay, we get this refurb, a full refurb of any type of property, we can do with between 6 and 8, 12 weeks. Okay, this one, which was probably one of the biggest we've done, everything new, back to bare walls, plastering ceilings, plastering walls, every single room, complete transformation, 12 weeks. Now I know that would have taken us 6 years ago, 4 to 5 months. And I know it would a normal builder as well. But such is our team and the experience that they've got from working with me and working with the team, they've just become so efficient, so good. And our investors benefit from that. We have a design team that make the most of the room, gets the right furniture, okay? We apply for the license, we get everything done in the right way at the right time. Everything's beyond legislation standards, okay? One of my business partners was the HMO officer before he came to work with us. So there's nothing he doesn't know about HMOs, or how to get the planning permission, how to get the license, or how to make the most of opportunities. And then we manage them and we rent them out to incredible tenants. Okay, so I'm Pete Licorinas. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you're interested about HMOs, I would say to get started on one HMO, to do those sorts of numbers, you need between 100 and 150,000 pounds to invest. You can obviously take it back out if you want to. You can buy cash and then you can get better rates. There's loads of different ways you can do it. But get in contact with us. We'd love to hear from you. We can arrange a free meeting with one of the team. If you're looking for a portfolio managed service, then you can get a free meeting with myself. And let's discuss how we can turn HMO Premier and HMO on steroids into your best investing friend. I'm Pete Licorinas. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you and hopefully making you money soon.